Lupita Nyong'o hairstyles over the years. The silver star always stands out, serving serious beauty inspiration with her every gorgeous looks. She slays in makeup, dazzling in all eyeshadows and lipsticks. But also when it comes to hair, the actress is truly daring in trying anything that let her natural texture be of the focus. No matter what the style, she keeps us imagining what her next hairstyle for the red carpet will be. Kindly subscribe to our channel to see some of her beautiful and breathtaking hairstyles and get the lovely moment of seeing the actress' beauty when it comes to her hair and fashion. Lupita Nina Simone inspired hairstyle. Lupita towering top knot is the most spectacular hairstyles that has ever been seen around the globe. The natural strong bold structure of the hair signifies a true reflection of all strong women around the globe. Surely this was also a significance of African heritage and culture. Lupita voluminous hair with afro peaks. Lupita's arrow with peaks really signifies a black culture with that neutral hair texture and look. The voluminous hair with afro combs is truly symbolic and explains a lot about the African culture. For sure, this is how an African woman should dress. Lupita natural bob. Lupita's natural bob, also known as the posh bob, is really a thing to go about if you want to be a rock star while attending a party or any other function. For sure, this is a good to-go choice of a style. The blunt bangs of Lupita. This hairstyle has never looked as they do on Lupita. This Kenyan, Mexican, American surely knows what stands out based on her. Lupita tapered braids and burgundy brows. Lupita's various promising appearances have nothing short of frightening gorgeous with her makeup and hair combining edges looks ever. The star really looks like a superstar. These braids with the burgundy brows go amazingly well together. Not forgetting about her white top and colorless nylon jacket with metallic peaks, her outfit is truly great, complementing her look further. Lupita straightened to the side hairstyle. This hairstyle is quite versatile and has just proved how good beauty can complement the hair. The straightened side swept puff is a real gorgeous look for those looking for a simple, sophisticated look. Lupita gilded braids. The neutral fair-focused hairstyle completes Lupita's flawless look. Lupita's hairstyles match well with her red outfit and makeup. Once again, another hairstyle of Lupita that I find it so incredibly beautiful is the one of the business in the front and party on the back. Lupita Nyong'o's high bun looks sleek and sophisticated, complete with a gun mega. The front part, I call it official, but at the back, the cropped shave make the hairstyle also party-like. That's the uniqueness of the hairstyle. With that look, you can go with it, be it formal or informal occasion. Lupita hanging low look. This hanging low puff hairstyle is a natural hair look which gives one an easy charming fringy look when you especially want to fuss around with your hair. A good style for an up and about look or even an event. Lupita fox locks. This hairstyle stands Lupita to a comic, rocking a gorgeous look with an updo of some loose tendrils on the side. Likewise, her glowing skin and neutral lipstick allowed her hair to take the center stage. So anyone looking for how to rock those locks, you now know how. The Oscar-worthy look. We can never get enough of Lupita's hairstyles and looks. This 2014 Oscar look has never been forgotten ever since because of her simplicity. Her clean tapered cut was uplifted by a thin hair band complemented by her gorgeous neutral makeup. This look is definitely worth remembering. Thank you for watching, dear viewer. Kindly subscribe to watch more of our incredible celebrity videos and please follow us in our Instagram page, Celebrity Hairstyle.